Hi everyone! Renate here from Crafty Renate. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm making an easy Halloween wreath and I thought it would be fun to show you. Some of the materials I may use are black ribbons, a styrofoam wreath, a variety of natural materials that are commonly used in flower arrangements, and they're in the colors black and red, plastic spiders, snakes, and Halloween lights. I'm probably not going to use everything, but I wanted some options. Other things I may need are a hot glue gun, small pins, scissors, and a stapler. First, I'm going to use these red leaves as my base layer. Since styrofoam and hot glue don't go well together, I'm using the small pins to somewhat keep them in place. They're real leaves, so I have to be careful to not rip them too much. I don't have enough leaves to cover the back, but that's okay, as the back of my wreath will never be visible once it's on the door. I'm gonna wrap some black ribbon around the wreath because it'll look good and it'll also help to keep the leaves in place and make everything more sturdy. I'm leaving some extra ribbon out to make a loop out of later. Now it's time to decide whether I want to add Halloween lights to the wreath because I would have to cover the wire with decorations. But no, I'm not going to add lights to this wreath. I think it'll be really beautiful without them. So yes, now it's time to add more of the decorations. Since I now have a base and I'm not working directly onto the styrofoam anymore, I'm able to use a hot glue gun to put these on. I love all of these dyed natural materials so much. I'm not going to use the gray stuff as the color is a bit too light. And I also decided to not use the spiders as they look a bit too shiny and plasticky. I am using a few of the snakes though. They look pretty cool and really blend in nicely with the rest of the decorations. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to click the like button, and if you would like to see more of my Halloween videos, I have a playlist that I'll link in the top right corner and at the end of this video. Now that I'm happy with how this looks, I'm tying my ribbon into a loop so that I can hang it up, And let's go see how it looks on the back door. I love how this turned out, and even though it's not the traditional orange and black, I think the red and black looks very Halloween-y too. I want to wish you all a very happy Halloween. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with my next video. Bye!